Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one has been a labour of love. I've been playing around with this for, I don't know, 4 days. I have been heavily inspired by a few people, one of them being 507 Willow House Lane, that is Lesley, and Rachel from Roxy Creations, and a few other people, but they were my main. And it's more so this, obviously the style of the journal. I've used kits from all sorts of places. I'll kind of mention that as I go go through it. I made a little pouch for it to go in. It's just, well, it's like a clutch. And I stamped with that crazy stamp that I had. I stamped that, and I think it did that. It's a nice contrast on that as well. But that just holds it. That's just a little, you know, if you wanted to slot it somewhere, you've got somewhere for it to, you know, to be housed. So that's just a wraparound closure. Let's set that out the way. Right. So this actually measures, haven't got a clue. Didn't write that part down. I wrote it's one signature and it's 56 pages. So it's 8 by 4. Just 4. And it has, like I said, 56 pages. It will be listed in my coffee shop, and this is going to be free shipping. So check out this, and we'll link the journal section and the digital section below as well of my coffee shop, because I think all my journals are now on free shipping. So if you want to grab a free shipping journal, then now's the time. So anyway, back to this. So we have got a crocheted square as a wraparound closure with some buttons and some fabric. And you can see there's little bits of trim that I've used throughout. This is lovely. I really enjoyed making this. So let's undo this. So there we go. I need to pull away the cotton, because that is 100% cotton material, and you know, you just snip it and you rip it. I love that look. So that's the doily. I hope the lighting's okay, because it's very dark, and it's getting darker so much earlier at night now, and our clocks change in the UK at the end of the month, so it'll be dark at like 4:30, 5 o'clock. Crazy. Right, so we front and the back here, we've got little pockets, but they flip. We've got tags in there. I've bought some new pieces, made some pieces, so yeah, lots here. So here, I think this is pixie dust. A little bit of trim here, some crocheted trim there. We have, I think that was from pixie dust as well. This is from ARTYmaze. We've got a mixture of papers in here from Ruby&Pearlxo, ARTYmaze, MyPorchPrints. Like I said, I'll mention as I go through. I think this is MyPorchPrints as well. Little piece of trim. Added quite a bit of trim to these. That flips out like so. We've got digital washi here from chapter 1. This paper in the background is my floral journal pages, and you can check that out in my digital section of my coffee shop. Got some trim here. This is from pixie dust. This is ARTYmaze here. I like all these little flips and flaps. This is from pixie dust as well. Just got a little tuck there. I think that is from Journal Bolt. Pixie dust. Little bit of Journal Bolt, and I think that's Journal Bolt as well, actually. Or it could be MyPorchPrints, Ruby and Pearl. Little pieces of trim. Some of these trims are actually from TaylorMade. When I got the subscription box last year, that is from, don't know, can't remember. If you want to know, ask and I'll search. Oh, I know it's from Journal Bolt. That just jogged my memory seeing that. This is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got layers here, 3 layers here on the pocket. That's pixie dust. This is Ruby and Pearl. Got some trim here. Got some tags here. This one is from Anna's Wonderland, which I think that's her YouTube, and her Etsy store is called, I'll try and remember and link it below, is called Lace Boutique 1. So I've used a few pieces from Anna's shop. This is a freebie on my coffee shop. That's ARTYmaze there. This is my floral tags, like watercolor floral tags. You get 30 of them in that digital kit. Here is Ruby and Pearl with a little bit of chapter 1 lace, not laces, because I'm looking at that. Chapter 1 washi tape, then some lace there. That was from TaylorMadeJournals. This little piece here is from Line.Arrow, and I don't know where, I think that might be ARTYmaze. Just made a little scrappy book there. I sat today, I was looking for bits. I thought, right, try not to print anything, Yvonne, because you've got hundreds of bits sitting in boxes. And you know what? I sorted it out and I threw some away. I just thought, no, I've got to throw it away because I've just got too much stuff. Nothing important, just like scrappy pieces. I didn't throw that full sheets out or anything, but literally loads of the scraps that I'm keeping. I've got folders full of them, so there's no point in keeping any more because I'm making them as I go along. I'm making scraps as I go along. This is from Lace Boutique 1, Anna's shop. This is ARTYmaze, bit of digital washi from chapter 1. That's Ruby and Pearl. This is another one of my watercolor tags. And what I've done, which I don't normally do, is print on both sides. Instead of coffee dyeing, I thought I'll print on both sides. And had to, because mine doesn't, like, you can't, the option, I don't actually know if the option's there, to be fair. But I'd obviously done one side and then picked it up, turned it around, put it back in. I was like, oh, I hope that's the right way. So here is digital washi there. That is pixie dust, little tag. This image here is from Mrs. Cogs, and it's from Love Letters, I think, or Romeo and Juliet, one of the two. Digital washes and this lovely trim here, a little bit of glittery trim there. This is from, I don't know. Here again, this is Mrs. Cogs. I think it might be Love Letters. And then here is Journal Boat. That's a piece from ARTYmaze, digital washi there. Here we've got another, that's another piece there, just the image. It's all just been layered up onto other papers, but that is from Mrs. Cogs. This is Ruby and Pearl, digital washi there, pixie dust. Here we've got another tag. This is My Papers with the florals on it, and this is, I framed that, or I've backed that onto there. Mrs. Cogs. This is Ruby and Pearl. So is the paper on the back. Then I made these. The paper there is ARTYmaze. So is these pieces that I collaged on, and I used some Tim Holtz flowers, and then I put these little girls on. I can't remember who they're from now. I don't know if they might be pixie dust as well. But yeah, they're cute because here in the UK, trying to get hold of the Tim Holtz paper dolls it's like gold dust, and when you do get them, they are extortionate. 15 to 20 pounds, and I'm like, no, sorry. And anyway, they're cute. I know it's not like Tim Holtz that's setting the price or anything. I know it's you know, the prices for getting it like exported and things like that. This that's mine. That's from my tags. What did I call them? Floral background tags, watercolor tags, something like that. They're on my coffee shop. This is pixie dust. This is from the old design shop. What paper is that? That's TaylorMadeJournals digital washi. That's a piece from ARTYmaze. And this is from Lace Boutique 1. That's my papers in the background there. This is from Lace Boutique 1 as well. And that flips opened, and that is Ruby and Pearl. How cute is that? See, I would never have thought, until I started seeing, obviously, like heavily watching other people, stalking basically. No, not really. Like, I would have cut all them out and then never used these bits. I know it sounds crazy. I would have just fussy cut some of these out. I might have kept some, like a little bit of it, but I'm seeing people just using the whole sheet, and it was just like, okay, if I'll just use the whole sheet. Anyway, this is Lace Boutique 1. This flips opened. That is Ruby and Pearl. It's a bit of my papers there. A little bit of lace trim. This is pixie dust. Little pocket there. Little tag, that's ARTYmaze. So is that. Don't know where that's from. I think that's the journal boat. Then here we have Lace Boutique 1 on a piece of avocado dyed paper. Hope that came out amazing. That I've saved loads of avocado skins. Got to do a bit more of that. So we had the heating on. It's got turned very, very cold here, and the heating is on, and it's getting up my nose. Need the heat though, that's the thing. Little flip out there. Oops, that is a dictionary page. That is one of my tags. Now that could actually sit in there like so, or the other way around, or like that. And then we've got a little pocket on there, which this is Lace Boutique 1. And that goes in. This is, I think that's Ruby and Pearl. Little piece of that lace there. This page is just purely decorated. It doesn't actually do anything. It's just, well, nice to look at. Tag here, that is one of my tags. And that's on there with a little paper clip. This is Ruby and Pearl. That is ARTYmaze. That saved a lot of time, like not coffee dyeing. A bit of digital washi there. Then here we've got a little flip out there. This is Ruby and Pearl. That is, I think that might be the journal boat. This image here is from Lace Boutique 1. Some lace trim here. We've got a tag. Oh no, it's not a tag, it's just, well, it is a tag. I think I sat it there because this is actually opened. There we go. This is actually opened. Did I do it? No, I didn't. But it is opened, okay? I'll try and show you. See? It is open. You can put something in there. So I'm not going to fight with it. I'm just going to set that. That's just a piece of ARTYmaze paper and a Tim Holtz die cut. And that goes in there like so. Oops. Feel a big sneeze coming on. Right, pocket here. This paper down here is, well, it's obviously printed on that side. That is from Ruby and Pearl, and this is from TaylorMadeJournals. That is one of mine. And that is, I don't know who that's from, but it's ARTYmaze paper in the background. That fell out from the back. Don't know who that's from. I think that might be journal boat. And then I found a piece of gold. It's a gold paper bag, and I'd coffee dyed it. It was really crinkly. So I just made a pocket and put that on there. This is Ruby and Pearl. That flips out like so. Got some lace here. Little tag there. That is from, I didn't mean to do that, but I actually thought it looked quite cute. Lace Boutique 1. That opens out, so you can journal on there. Then here we have another flip out. We've got a little tag in there from Pixie Dust. The images here, I think that's ARTYmaze in the background, and that is Ruby and Pearl. Ruby and Pearl there. We have a tag there. That is from Lace Boutique. So it's Anna's shop. And that, I think that one goes at the back. That just tucks in behind there, or in here. This is My Papers. So we'll just do that like so. Then here, does this flip out? Nope. It's just decorative. I think you can put that, that's opened there as well. I think that's where that's supposed to go. Oh, but it is opened here as well. Da-da. So I'm going to put it there. My Papers, Pixie Dust, ARTYmaze. Some ARTYmaze there. I don't know who that's from. Some trim. Ruby and Pearl. Little piece of trim there. That was the last little piece. I don't know where I got it from, but it's really pretty. That's from the journal bolt. This is from, who do you call it? Who do you call it? Pixie Dust. That opens out and that goes in there like so, or tuck it in behind there like that. Nice little pink piece there, and that all goes in there. So that is my journal, and I loved making it. It's very busy, I think. Not like overly busy, not busy that hurts your eyes, but I think it's busy with all the nice, you know, every page has got something on it. Whereas, you know, most of my journals are like writing journals, but this is, I'm going to sneeze. Bless me. That's the damn heating. Yeah, most of my journals, I've got lots of coffee dyed papers in them, but this one really was, did take me some time to do that. So, like I said, this will be for sale over on my coffee shop. The link will be below. I will put a direct link to this, but I'll also put the links to the journal section anyway. Check out the other journals there that are free shipping, and my digitals if you're interested. And I'll try and remember and list everyone that I used below. Some people are already listed below because I do use them on a regular basis. But this, yeah, this was just more so for when I do ship it. It's got that added bit of protection. Because it's in a little clutch. I need to get something bigger for here. And this new table that I've got, which needs a dusting, this slips around terribly on it, so I need to get something else. So yeah, that is my journal. I enjoyed doing that stamping, that was crazy. But there we go. So thanks for watching, and I will speak to you all soon.